For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello and welcome to News9 Digital. I'm Ashish Parekh. Now it is an open secret that Facebook has plans to integrate its different chat platforms eventually and possibly even make cross-chat possible. For example, you'd be able to contact your friends from one Facebook platform to another. In fact, last year, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg said that he was planning to merge Facebook Messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp in a unique service, and looks like the work in this direction has already started. So why are we saying this now? Well, a few developers have spotted Facebook silently working on integrating WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. This has again sparked rumors of possibility to communicate with a user that is using a different Facebook app. In this case, we're talking about WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. So Facebook is apparently creating some tables in a local database in order to manage messages and services with other WhatsApp users. For example, take a look at this image which shows what Facebook is up to. Let me explain what exactly this shows. Well, Facebook can understand the details of chats like the phone number of a contact, a message counter, and in case the chat is archived or not. It can also find out whether a WhatsApp contact is blocked, and it can also find out the push notification and the sound of it. But in case you notice one thing in this entire image, there is no mention of chat history or content or profile pictures. So this isn't currently added to the integration, but it does not rule out the possibility of Facebook going ahead and linking chat history, chat messenger, and all of those things as well. Well, this was about what Facebook is up to, but there might be a few questions that might be popping up in your head as well. So let me just address all of those questions and what exactly Facebook is up to, what is it doing, and how exactly does it affect you. First up, is Facebook already collecting your messages and storing it in their servers for integration? Well, WhatsApp messages are end-to-end encrypted. This means that nobody except the person sending and receiving the messages can access it. So now your WhatsApp messages are not being stored anywhere on any server. Second doubt that you might have is, let's assume this feature is brought in. What about your privacy? Will your privacy be affected? This is one of the important questions that everyone will have. Well, privacy is one of the core principles of WhatsApp, and as far as we can see, it will stay that way, and end-to-end encryption will keep your messages safe. However, this case can be changed. This particular scenario will be changed in the future, and in case that's the case, they will surely update the terms of services and privacy policy and give their users a clear picture that, listen, your chats are going to be stored in a particular server, your chats are going to be read by so and so person. So all of these details will be given out in case those changes are made. Third question that you might be asking is, will all of these changes make WhatsApp prone to hacks and illegal data collection? Well, it is a very technical question, and a lot of complicated methodologies might be involved. And to shed more light on that, we have with us ethical hacker Febin John James with us, who will be explaining as to whether a ethical hacker or a hacker in general can go ahead and hack WhatsApp in case all of these changes are brought in and the end-to-end encryption that WhatsApp actually promises is tinkered with.
So one of the greatest security feature which WhatsApp had was that once WhatsApp sends the message from its servers, it deletes the message. It is not stored anywhere. In the case of Facebook, it is not like that. So your Facebook messages are stored in Facebook servers even after it's being sent. So if you see your WhatsApp, if you delete your WhatsApp, and if you haven't backed up your WhatsApp, right, and when you reinstall a new phone, you won't get your old messages back because WhatsApp doesn't have it. But that is not the case with Facebook. So if they are interlinking these platforms, then the concern comes that they will be storing messages in the Facebook servers, right? So that is something which is concerning because in WhatsApp we could have this trust that WhatsApp doesn't store messages, but now the messages are also stored in Facebook, right? So yeah, so that has some data risk there.
Is this going to be an optional features? Are you going to be asked before Facebook actually brings this in? Well, there is not much information available at this point in time, but ideally WhatsApp users should give their consent in case Instagram or Facebook is linked to their account or vice versa. But for a correct answer, we need to wait till Facebook actually goes ahead and carries all of this out. And in case you don't trust Facebook and you have some sort of concerns, this option might be useful for you in case they provide it, in case they want to clarify from your end that your messages and your privacy is being kept and is being safeguarded. So what do you think? Do you think this cross chat methodology that Facebook is coming with, linking different apps together in the same platform, do you think this is going to work? Or do you feel that the safety that WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook Messenger right now promises also will be compromised, with Facebook actually trying to go ahead and make some sort of changes, tinker around with stuff? Do you think this will be a useful feature, or do you think this will end up destroying privacy altogether? Make sure you leave behind your comment, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to News9. Thanks for watching.